Hey guys, Death Dragon here, playing with Infinite Gamer Z. And I'm not exactly sure what Josh's name is gonna be. Oh yes, I'm Wally! Dang it, I wanted to be Shrek though. Well, anyway, this is a really weird game. Yeah. Yeah, would you rather? That's the plan. I'm also gonna leave the link to the consume bottle of sunscreen. Get burnt. we just turned to a pile of ashes. Hashtag best day of my life. Stop trapping roll. Oh. Come on. No, I barely lost. There we go. Alright. How do I buy stuff? Oh. Oh. Ouch. Pika pika. I want the Segway. Oh. Oh, snap. No. Oh, yeah. Why is my hair floating above my head? I'm confused. Oh my gosh. Confirm. I just got kilted. It's a victor. One. I'm confused. Oh, wait, what? Uh-huh. Hi. I don't know. But I'm jumping on my own head. I'm jumping on my own head right now.
Here's a station you might like. College Rock on Amazon Music.
I'm jumping on my own head. Oh, no. Yeah, wait, I was standing on my head. Cool. Oh, I'm back.
Chicken Nugget Dreamland by Perry Griff.
Alexa,
on Amazon.
Stop. No. Okay, wait, what? Oh, why do I have no arms? Why do I have no arms? Harry. I just had the best worst idea ever. Leave group. Yeah. Join group. Leave group. Yeah. Join group. Is it working? No, it didn't work. Yeah, I'm a zombie. Am I the only zombie? I don't even know. It was odd. Yeah. Good for you. Okay. That's what I like about Screencast-O-Matic. I just got 10,000 points for joining the group. Oh. Yeah, boy. Oh my gosh. Confirm. Oh my gosh. I can jump super high now. I got the gravity coil. Yeah. Yeah, right? True. Oh yeah. I'm a flying squirrel. Flying squirrels, flying squirrel. um. Josh. Alright, so wait for the wall to come back. Oh, look, Ethan's joined. Alright, wait for the wall to come back and then jump on top. I walk faster than normal speed now. And I'm massive. Oh my gosh. You can't even see my gravity coil. Hey Josh, look, I'm flying. Just jump on top of the invisible wall. What does the Christmas cookie do? Crap, I gotta get back there. Wait for me. No! No, you guys left me. Oh my gosh. I'm a fast giant. Oh my gosh, I just had the worst idea ever again. I'm super big, and I'm gonna get on a skateboard. Yep. Why am I falling right now? I switched with a massive person. Is anybody me? Well, I mean, yeah. Run. I'm trying to jump on top of my guy. Oh man. I turned back to normal. What person? Fedora. Wait, what's a Valkyrie helmet? I'm confused. If any of you guys know what a Valkyrie helmet is, please tell me in the comments. Can you fly as high as I can? Can you fly as high as I can? Minecraft, I just want to see what'll happen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why has everybody got the same hairstyle as me? What? So, this might be the end of the video.